Hey guys, my name is Samuel and you're watching TechnoRight. What's going on guys, welcome to TechnoRight, where technology is done right. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to fix Windows 11 blank taskbar or no start menu error. So this is a very simple fix and let's get straight into it. So what you're going to do is you're going to right click on your start button and open Task Manager. If that does not work, if you do not have the start button, you're going to click on you're going to hold Control, Shift and Escape on your keyboard and your Task Manager should pop up. So you're going to click on File and click on Run a New Task. Okay, so here you're going to click on this Create this task with administrative privileges and click on Browse. And here you're going to go into this PC, local disk C, scroll down, find Windows, open it, and scroll down, find System32. Here, open it, and scroll down, and you're going to find, you're going to scroll until you find cmd.exe. Right here, cmd.exe. Click on Open, and click on OK. So this should allow CMD to open up. So once you have CMD open up, these commands right here, all of these 3 commands will be pasted in the description below, so you do not have to worry about a thing. Okay, so you're going to copy the first command, copy and paste it here with Control V. Okay, and click on Enter. So this should run, and now do it same with the second one, Control C, Control V, Enter. And this should happen. Okay, so once you've done this, you're going to type in exit to close, and you're going to close Task Manager, and then you're going to open Task Manager again, Control Shift Escape. Okay, and click on File, Run a New Task, and this time just type in cmd.exe. Click on Create this task and then press OK. So once you do that, CMD should open like this, and this final command you're going to copy this and paste it here with Control V, and then you're going to click on Enter. Okay, so I'm not going to click on Enter now because this will restart your computer. So you just paste this command and click on Enter and let your computer restart, and the taskbar or the start menu, everything should come back without any other issues, guys. So that's about it from me. If you have any other questions or any other problems, please put it down in the comments below, and I think that's about it. So please rate, comment and subscribe, and I'm out.